dog, 7-3.
Whiskey 7, Mike Uniform Foxtrot.
Whiskey 7, Mike Uniform Foxtrot. Nice signal, 5-9 North Carolina.
Thank you very much. This is the
All right, thank you for Kansas, and actually you're about 10 to 15 over S9 here in North Carolina, okay?
Thank you very much. That sounds great. 7-3.
All right, 7-3. Whiskey 1, Alpha Whiskey, Portable 4, North Carolina.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, 5-9 into North Carolina West.
Roger that, my friend. I have you about a 5-5, Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Thank you, my friend. 73.
I'll take the 5-5 in Louisiana, 7-3. Whiskey 1, 73.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
The Sierra again?
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Station with Sierra again?
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra, 5-9.
Yeah, roger that, my friend. I have you about a 5-5, Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Thank you, Louisiana, 73, QRZ.
There he is. Easy. Simple. Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. Not us. I don't know why it's so noisy today. I've got kind of everything I know that creates noise turned off.
Okay, Hotel India 5, go ahead with your full call. Okay, I got it. Hotel India 5, Yankee, Juliet, Mike. I've got you 5-7 Whiskey Victor. And what's your phone number?
Whiskey Victor, West Virginia. Let's jump to 10 meters.
The Alpha November 5-9.
So that was on 10 meters, but this guy's almost got the same call sign as
Thank you,
me.
73, QRZ.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. I got you in the log already.
Oh, sorry about that. 73.
Thank you, 73, QRZ.
Oh, already had him. Dang. I don't know why I didn't catch that. Whoa! Settle down, camera.
They'll be glad to help you. All right, clear with N4RAP away down in Illinois. Who else is on frequency? K3JW? This dude has a really big pile up. I don't know if I'm going to break through. I don't know if I'm patient enough to break through.
Roger. Also 5-9 Chattanooga, Tennessee. Thank you for staying on the number, sir. Happy Easter to you, 7-3. Happy Easter to you, my friend, 7-3. Have fun. This is 204 November Yankee Mike at Uniform Sierra 6309. Are there any talk to fire stations?
Oh, good operating. Good operating right there.
5 hotel.
Ask for park to park.
Kilo Charlie, 5 hotel, South South. Roger, Roger, Bill, thank you for the 5-7. I've got you 555, my park number, US 3791 3791. QSL? Seven three.
Yeah, doesn't look like we can get him to another station. Anybody for the Maritime Mobile Service Net, guys. The boat people do not want you messing with their boats or their boat frequency. Stay off of 14.300 forever. That's their frequency. The boat people. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra. I've got you 5-8, Whiskey Victor.
Roger that, my friend. I have you at 5555 Lima Alpha, Louisiana.
Copy, Louisiana, 7-3, my friend.
7-3.
Whiskey 3, Delta Foxtrot, Papa, QRZ.
There he is. Look at this. I don't know what that was about. Somebody was tuning up maybe, but right on frequency. Yeah.
QSO, you're also at strong 5-9. My park is US 1380, 1380, Papa Alpha. Standing by.
Man, this is really fatiguing. I don't know if that's... I know it's got to be some of the RFI I got. Man. If we can get these two, we'll shut her down for today.
Thank you much, you guys. Thanks for being out there. Congrats, and have a good one. 73, thank you very much. You guys go.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Echo Sierra Western. Going to give you about a 5353, the US 1200 port.
QSL, my friend, I'm going to give you about a 5151 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Negative. I lost the second op. No copy, no copy. It's rough and tough out there, guys. KI5WES 73. All right, well, band conditions are rough today, ladies and gentlemen, but we tried. 73, thanks for watching.